Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly clear your browsing history from just the last week in Google Chrome. Whether you want to free up some space, keep your activity private, or just start fresh, these simple steps will help you get it done in under a minute. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen, then look to the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 dots to open up the Chrome menu. From the menu, find and tap on History. This will show you a list of all the websites you visited recently. At the top of this page, you'll notice an option called Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a new window with a few different options. Here's where you can choose exactly what you want to delete. Make sure the box next to Browsing History is checked. If you only want to remove your history and keep things like cookies or cached files, leave those unchecked. Next, look for the Time Range drop-down menu. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices. Select Last 7 days to clear only the browsing history from the past week. This way, anything older than 7 days will stay in your history, but everything from the last week will be wiped clean. Once you've made your selections, tap the Clear Data button. Chrome will take a moment to process your request, and then your recent browsing history will be deleted. That's all it takes. Your browsing history from the last week is now gone, and you can continue using Chrome with a little more privacy and a cleaner slate. If you want to clear other types of data, like cookies or cached images, you can select those options as well before tapping Clear Data. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.